Okay, so in this second video on information literacy skills, I'm going to introduce you to advanced searching on Summon. So in this session, we'll teach you how to search for more specific topics within a subject area by combining keyword searches and running multiple keyword searches in one search. So I'm going to click on the search box here. It'll bring me through to Summon, and then I'm going to click into the advanced search. So within the advanced search, I'm still going to search for the same topic. Now, we said previously that second language acquisition as a topic was too broad and it was giving me back a lot of results. So normally you're searching within a broader subject area like this. You're looking for something specific within that subject area. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to set the filters to title, and that's basically so it will help us to visualize more easily the effect of the searches that I'm doing by just looking at the title of the articles. So I'm going to leave this set to AND. So these three terms are called Boolean operators, and what they do is they either broaden or narrow down my search, depending on which one I choose. So if I leave this at AND, and if I type in vocabulary, so what I'm now instructing the search engine to do is to return me any results that have the phrase second language acquisition and also the phrase vocabulary in the search results and only in the title of the article that I'm searching for. So it should have both of these. If it doesn't have both, it won't return me any results at all. So this is a way of narrowing down your search to include more specific results. So once I run that and I'm going to filter it by journal article, what we're seeing is we have second language acquisition and we have the word vocabulary in our search results. Again, here second language acquisition and the word vocabulary, and again in the third one, vocabulary and second language acquisition. Now it's only giving me 10 results because I've narrowed it to the title only. And oftentimes title only is too narrow, okay? But for the purpose of just demonstrating how this functions, I'll leave it at the title. So that's very effective, and it's a very powerful way of combining multiple search terms into one search to help narrow down your searches into a specific topic. So if I go back into advanced search, it's possible to go too narrow. So if I click on this plus icon, it's going to add another field. It's set to title only. I'm going to leave it at and I'm going to search grammar. Now, when we did the second language acquisition and vocabulary search and filter by journal, it gave us 10 results. This one is unlikely to give us any results because now I'm looking for all three of these words to be in the titles of the articles that I'm searching for. And I think that's too narrow, and yeah, so we can see here that it's not giving us any results, that my search terms were way too narrow by just searching within the titles. If I were to broaden these back out to title, from title to abstract or title to all fields, it would give us results. Now what I can do is I can change the and to or. So maybe I'm looking at either of these two topics within second language acquisition. So what this particular word does is it broadens my search back out. So it's going to return to me either articles that have second language acquisition and vocabulary in the title, or alternatively articles that have second language acquisition and grammar in the title. And if I run this search, so second language acquisition and vocabulary only returned 10 results once I filtered by journal article. If I filter this one by journal article, it's giving me 46. And we'll see some of the results have second language acquisition and vocabulary, whereas some of them have second language acquisition and grammar, and so on if we go down through the search results. So still, it's a very narrow set of results, but it's very effective. If I give the search engine the correct instruction, it gives me very effective results. Now, the final thing I can do is I can use the Boolean operator not. So we'll see the first result here. Maybe I'm not looking for any information on Mandarin Chinese. So if I go back to my advanced and I add another field, and this time I set this to not, and I'm going to type in Mandarin. What I'm expecting this now to do is to exclude from my search results anything that has the word Mandarin in the title. So I'll rerun this search. I'll filter by journal, and we'll see that that result has gone, and it's after reducing from 46 down to 45. So there was obviously only one result there that had the word Mandarin in the title. So again, these particular tools are very effective at doing multi-level, multi-keyword searches within one search to get to a more specific topic or subject area. My searches have been very narrow because I filtered this by title, so just be conscious that you might have to kind of open back out your searches a little bit from the title if you want to get more significant results.